Hi AutoCAD users. I'm about to show you a Lisp script that will literally cut your text editing time from hours down to seconds. If you've ever had to add the same prefix to dozens or hundreds of text objects, this video is going to change your life. Stick around. Here's the nightmare scenario we've all faced. You finish a drawing with 200 text and MTEXT, as an illustration example that shows on my screen, and then your boss walks over and says, "Hey, can you add ref in front of every text and MTEXT in the drawing?" Your heart sinks because you know what that means. Clicking on each text object one by one, double-clicking to edit, typing ref, hitting enter, then moving to the next one. That's easily 30 to 45 minutes of mind-numbing, repetitive work that makes you question your career choices. But watch this magic happen. I'm going to run my Lisp script. I select all the text objects with a window selection, hit enter. Type ref as my prefix. And bam! Every single text object now has ref in front of it. That took me seconds to do what would have taken me several minutes manually. This is the power of automation in AutoCAD. Here's why this script is an absolute game changer. Massive time savings. We are talking about reducing hours of work to literal seconds. Zero human error. No more accidentally skipping text objects or making typos. Works on everything, regular text and multiline text all at once. Handles any volume, whether it's 10 objects or 1000, the script doesn't care. Instant results, see your changes happen in real time. Professional edge, deliver revisions faster than your competition. Alright, let me walk you through exactly how to load and use this script. First, type appload in your command line and hit enter. Browse to where you saved the Lisp file, select it, and click load. You only need to do this once per AutoCAD session. Step 1. Type add prefix to text in the command line. This is our custom command. Step 2. When it says, select objects, select your text and MTEXT objects using any method, window select, individual clicks, crossing window, whatever works for you. Step 3. Press enter to confirm your selection. Step 4. When prompted, enter prefix. Type exactly what you want added, like TYP, or phase 1- or whatever your project needs. Step 5. Hit enter and watch it work instantly. That's it. The script does all the heavy lifting for you. Want this script for yourself? I've put the download link right in the description below and in the comment section. Here's what I want you to do. Download it, try it on your next project, and then come back and tell me in the comments how much time it saved you. I guarantee it'll be hours. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD productivity hacks that make your job easier. Trust me, there's way more where this came from.